Every day it is important to calm the nervous system and the body. This is a daily meditation for you to just get calm. Please sit down in a place where you can have your back straight and upright. We are going to be more alert during this meditation. Sitting down with your hands in your lap, notice your hands and how they make contact with your legs. Note the heaviness of your arms and hands. Perhaps any warmth you feel as well. Very good. Now, if your eyes are closed, please open them and look around your surroundings without moving your head. Just moving the eyes to the left, looking up, to the right, looking down, and begin to look at different things in your surroundings. Notice how when you look at something, you know what it is. You label it: table, chair, wall, door, window, or perhaps you're outside. Tree, grass, birds. What do you see around you? Now pay attention to the color green. Can you see the color green in your surroundings anywhere? What do you see that is green? Label it. Good. Now notice, what's the softest texture around you? Is there a cozy blanket nearby? Or perhaps a soft pillow? Great. Let's switch now to just noticing anything made of wood. Is there anything made of wood in your surroundings? Nice. This fun visual meditation has allowed for you to just relax. See how it's hard to think of any worries or concerns when you're looking around, noticing colors and shapes and textures? Now let's do another meditation. Close your eyes. They're a little tired after that exercise, and it feels so good to do so. Notice how you see darkness behind your eyelids. And perhaps your imagination is alive. I bet you can remember very easily what your surroundings look like. Without even opening your eyes, you can see those things made of wood. You can remember the things that were green. Wonderful, isn't it? The power of your mind. Know that in these very moments, you are rewiring your mind to be calm. Your nervous system is relaxing, and you're feeling good. All it takes is 5 to 10 minutes daily to reset everything about you, having a fresh state of mind. Now, begin to imagine there's a beautiful light coming down from above. It is going to touch the top of your head very soon, and it's gonna feel really good. The light touches your head and it melts away any tension, showering down over your body, filling you with light. Darkness vanishes from any crevices. You are pure light, reborn, so to say. In this moment, you feel like a child. And though you may have many things to do after this meditation, or have done many things before it, in this moment, you are calm, completely relaxed. You are training your mind to be clear and focused. You can call meditation in the sitting position a kind of training for your focus. You are learning how to tune in to what you want, beneficial things. Meditation is a very beneficial practice. You can hear the testimonials of millions upon millions of people who practice meditation. You will hear them say that it changed their life. Meditation does take dedication, and it is not always easy, and that's not the point. You are here to gain control over your thinking, over your body. Deepening your awareness of how you feel about things. Meditation allows you to simply observe, and good observation always gains great perspective. Let's meditate now on the breath. Begin to breathe in through your nose. See if you can fill yourself with air, and then when you let the air out, do so very slowly, like you are blowing out through a straw. Do this again in through the nose and out very slowly. One more time. Breathe in all that fresh oxygen your body is loving. Breathing out through the mouth even slower this time. You are calm and cool. A beautiful harmony of balance comes over you. All is well. Your meditation is coming to an end. Good job. You can relax your posture now and open your eyes. Pay attention to how you feel today. Notice, is it any different than you felt before you started meditating? I know that you'll have a great day